Hello, my children. It's the month of December and Christmas time. Now, Christmas is a day that we celebrate because of the birth of Jesus Christ, who the Christians believe to be the Son of God. The birth of Jesus Christ was indeed a message to mankind to think of others and bring great happiness to others. So that's one of the prime reasons why over the years Christmas has become a secular festival and celebrated by Christians and non-Christians all over the world, people like you and me. And when we talk of Christmas, can Santa Claus be far behind? Absolutely not. But before we move ahead and talk to Santa, let me tell you a little story about him. You know, children, traditions and festivals and celebrations, they evolve over a period of time. Evolve meaning they change a bit here and there. Now, the story has it that many years ago, there was a gentle soul, a gentle man called Nicholas, or rather, many people later called him Saint Nicholas. He had a golden heart. He was born to a rich father and he loved to help the needy. It is said that once he saved 3 young girls from being sold as slaves by sharing his gold with them, and that too secretly, without telling them. A story has it that he probably slipped that gold into their stockings, and that's how slowly he came to be known as magical bringer of gifts. And after his death, the stories woven around him, they just kind of transformed him into a legendary character that we called Santa Claus today. So from Saint Nicholas, he became Santa Claus. In fact, we know him by many names such as Father Christmas, Old Man Christmas, and Saint Nick. And also slowly, over the passage of time, his appearance also transformed. And Santa Claus changed into a jolly fellow in red and white fur, riding on a sleigh, driven by reindeers, and coming from North Pole. Children write letters to Santa or send messages to Santa throughout the world, either by posting letters or maybe sometimes sending a message through their mommy and daddy. So let's talk about Christmas of 2020. Now, as you all know, that due to the COVID-19, schools are closed. We can't travel to meet our families who stay far away from us. We can't have a big family get together, a Christmas dinner or a Christmas lunch, and yet I hear that Santa Claus is on his way, on his sleigh, to meet all of you lovely children. And Santa is doing his rounds, talking to children. And children, mind you, have so many questions for him. Hitansh, Maulik, Jesui, Gurmeet, Catherine, Padmesh. There are so many questions for Santa. Let's hear some of these lovely questions.
Did you also shop online this year? Santa, can you catch COVID and lock it in a box and take it far away to the North Pole? I hope it never comes back.
Aha! Santa's thinking.
Santa, are you for real?
Can you tell the schools and playgrounds to open? Talking to my friends and playing with them on screen is getting a little boring.
Aha! that's an interesting wish.
Did you also have a COVID test done? Hey Santa, don't forget your mask and sanitizer. My mom will never let you come in without them.
Now what will Santa do?
There are so many children waiting for you, Santa. If you get tired, let me know. I can help. I haven't met my grandparents for such a long time due to COVID. Can you send them to me, Santa, please?
How will Santa fulfill this wish? And that's how Santa is busy doing his rounds. Now children, just as it's been a tough year for you, so also it's been a very tough year for Santa too. Should we do one thing? Why don't we try helping Santa? Would you like to do that? So if the answer is yes, and I'm sure it is, turn around, talk to your friends, family, cousins, neighbors, and ask them, what do they wish for this Christmas? And just see if you can be their Santa this year. Wouldn't that be fun? And meanwhile, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to be a Santa for this nurse who lives 5 blocks away from my house. I'm just going to bake a lovely little cake for her because she's been busy looking after the COVID patients at hospitals and not even come home for days. And I'm going to make a card for all those doctors and nurses who've been there helping us fight COVID. That's how I'm going to be a Santa. Meanwhile, all of you little angels, think about how you're going to be a Santa, and also don't forget to enjoy yourself. Merry Christmas!